Hello, hello, other human beings. It is me, Imperial Outcast, back with another video, and I'm going to be, I don't know, I'm going to be playing Subway Surfer again, but I honestly don't know. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna play Subway Surfer. I have some little stories that I might tell you, and this entire idea about telling stories and using sketchbook, this was all my friend's idea. He done this first, so I'm going to give him credit of doing it. I realized his videos got a lot of views, so I just wanted to kind of do it myself, but I give him all the credit because he came up with this. So, yep, I'm just going to play Subway Surfer. I'm just gonna click on Subway Surfer. Work, please. I'm filming this in my bathroom. Don't ask why. Sorry that I was a little late to doing a video. I just had to do my homework. So, yeah. Don't know if my friend Caitlin is watching this. He might be. And if he is, Toby's back for a few days. So, I know he's not watching it right now, but once it goes live, well, not now, please. No,
The state of your flipping bedroom is ridiculous. The amount of cries is lying about that bloody bedroom floor. See, tomorrow, you do nothing until it is done.
Don't mind that. Sorry, my mother. That makes it not quite yeah. I just need to beat my daily high score. I've already done that a couple of times today. So I don't get how there's jetpacks when this game that's not set in the future. That was dumb. Yeah, you could see a jetpack there. I could have got one, but I didn't. So, yeah. So, yeah. Yeah, so to one of the stories. Once I was playing PE with my friend Toby. No one! And playing volleyball. Don't know if you can hear me. Yeah, but we played volleyball. He was well into it, but threw a volleyball and pelted off my face. And it broke my glasses. Quite Subway Surfers is you just need to try and beat your high score every time while running from a crazy psycho. Well, not really, he's just doing his job, I guess. Oh, that was a bad idea. I could have won and got coins, but I didn't. So, oh, I missed that magnet. Damn it. I haven't hit my high score yet. Oh, I'm so dumb. So, I'm just gonna stop it here and maybe talk to you guys tomorrow. So, bye.